This is a subtle masterpiece dedicated to our demanding gamers. It comes with a robust power delivery, a complete thermal upgrade, and the all-around connectivity. Meet the B650E AORUS Master. To power the latest Ryzen 7000 series processors right out of the box, an all-digital power design that drives up to 105 amps per phase is built to unleash every ounce of performance. For throttle-free access to the PCIe Gen 5 SSD, the M.2 Thermal Guard 3 keeps the device at extraordinarily low temperature even during heavy workloads. 3 other M.2 slots are covered by the enlarged heatsink, with double-sided thermal pads to dissipate the heat more efficiently. The B650E AORUS Master is engineered on an 8-layer PCB, and the circuits are crafted by 2X copper, giving the processor more headroom for overclocking. We also bring lightning speed to the build, with the full compatibility of DDR5 memory. The improved DIMM slots and shielded routing design can now support up to 6600 MHz and even higher performance with pre-tuned BIOS techniques. A rich selection of connectivity provides extra freedom to DIY enthusiasts for countless possibilities. 2 PCIe slots are located in an adequate distance from the first one to avoid interference from the graphics card, so gamers can install PCIe expansion modules at their will. 8 PWM fan headers, with 4 of them that can be altered for water cooling pumps, maximize the flexibility when it comes to cooling configuration. The B650E AORUS Master empowers all gamers beyond all demands. Now, it's time to master your game.